Magandang araw, Sultan Quirateños, at kasalukuyang ginaganap ang Division School Press Conference or DSPC 2025 ngayong umaga, Enero 29 at magtatagal hanggang 3 araw. Isinasagawa ito ngayon sa Bagong Bayan National High School. Dinaluhan ito ng iba't ibang paaralan tulad ng Palimbang, Calamansig, Libak, Colombio, SNA, Isulan, President Quirino, Lambayong, Esperanza, Bagumbayan at iba pa na may mahigit kumulang na 1,080 na kalahok na parehong elementarya at sekundarya. Sultan Quirateños, nandito ako ngayon at kasama ko sina
Rania, okay, Ayesha.
at atin silang tatanungin tungkol sa kanilang nadarama ngayong DSPC. But first all, kamusta kayo ngayon?
I'm feeling nervous. It's my first time. Okay lang naman po yun. Kinakabahan kuya po.
Kinakabahan daw. So, what are you looking forward this upcoming DSPC or ngayon DSPC 2025?
We're wishing ourselves good luck and more opportunities to come after this.
Ikaw naman.
Makapasok lang kuya ng top 10 or 5.
Yan, makapasok ng top 5. At last, how are you feeling right now?
Okay lang naman kuya. Kay is a good journalist. She joined RSPC last year.
Yan. Yan. So guys, stay tuned and I hope to see you three in the stage na may medal. At narito tayo ngayon kasama si Rian Grace Padillo nagmula sa
Isulan National High School.
Rian, may mga katanungan ako sa inyo at ang katanungan ito, ano ang iyong nadarama ngayong DSPC 2025?
It's a feeling of both excitement and nervousness, but after all glory to God na mag-guide sa amin na our school will be successful, this DSPC, and I know masyadong competitive yung mga journalist ng Sultan Kudarat.
Yon. At ano naman yung mga nilulook forward mo this upcoming DSPC?
Of course, I'm expecting na maayos yung accommodation sa mga next upcoming DSPC and also a more competitive batch of campus journalists that will compete for the best of the best.
Yon, grabe naman. Ang daming nilulook forward ni Rian. So, gusto mo bang mag-shoutout sa mga kasama mo ngayon or sa school nyo?
Okay, I would like to shout out my Radio Broadcasting English team to Goldie, Gian, Yasha, to Francis, Ace, and Valerie. And also to my fellow campus journalists from our school.
And thank you, Rian. Sa muli, patas, totoo at tinig ng kabataan. Mula sa Sulating Tanyag, ako si Arnie Wahe. Hanggang sa muli, Sultan Quirateños.